I recently completed the HF Masterclass, and I hesitated to do it at first because I've been operating HF for a while, but I thought maybe I'd learn some tips and tricks. And there was a lot of good review of things that candidly I already knew. However, there were a lot of neat little tricks on logging that I didn't know. Some of the shortcuts on the WRL log, which is amazing. Um, there were really good explanations, like on the BuddyPole antenna, different types of antennas that I wanted to see. There was some great discussion on just details. I've got a partner that just got her ham license, and this will be perfect for her. She just got her general as she gets more comfortable doing it. I think that's the biggest takeaway is after you've done the HF Master Class, I think you'll be much more comfortable with getting out there and making contacts. So it was worth it to me, and I'd encourage anyone that's thinking about it to do it. It's a good use of your time.